What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Gamdias. They were nice enough to send one of their mid-tower Argus M1 ATX case so I can share with you guys. Now keep in mind, just because they send me the case for free, that really doesn't change anything. I will still give you guys my honest opinion about this case. You can pick up this Gamdias Argus M1 all black with tempered glass for around $79. Argus M1 is a mid-tower case, but you can install up to E-ATX motherboard. Case height is 17.7 inches, width is 8.3 inches, and the length is 18.1 inches. Also, case weight is only 17.55 pounds, so the case is really lightweight, not too heavy. Front panel covered with dark tempered glass and plastic. You can detach the front panel, but front I/O cables are attached to the front panel, so you have to be careful. Front, you will also find built-in RGB light. Looks really cool. I really like that option. Now, let's look at the front I/O real quick. Top of the front panel, you will find the power button and RGB control button. I don't know why they decided to put the RGB button next to the power button. Front of the panel, you will also find single USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0 ports, headphone jack, microphone jack, and a I/O RGB control button. Up front, you can install up to 360mm AIO or dual 140mm fans. There is a air vents on both sides of the front panel. Up top, you can install dual 140mm fans. There is a magnetic dust filter on the top you can easily remove and clean. Rear, you only have option for single 120mm fans. Now remember, this case doesn't come with any fans. I'm running 3 side Kazi Flex 120mm RGB fans. You can find the link in the video description. Rear, you will also find 7 PCIe slots and PSU cutout. Keep in mind, you need to remove the PCIe slots before you install your motherboard, because after you install the motherboard, you can remove the PCIe slots. I don't know why they picked this design, but they did include 2 regular removable PCIe slots. Case does come with full PSU shroud, but you can still show off your power supply. There is a little cutout. Yes, there is a PSU dust filter under the case and 4 black fits with rubber base. Argus M1 is a mid-tower case but does support motherboards starting from ITX, M-ATX, ATX, and E-ATX. You can install up to 13 to 14 inches long graphics card without installing front AIO cooler, or 12 inches long graphics card with 360mm AIO. Now, I know you guys love this option because we all love big and bad graphics card in our system. You can install 2 SSDs next to the motherboard. There is more than enough cutout for the cable management, total 9 cutout, but there is no rubber grommets. Don't be sad, let's just move on. Back panel does flex a bit, but not too bad. Back of the case, you also have more than enough space for cable management. Now I know my cable management game is not all that perfect, so don't judge me. Case doesn't come with any built-in cable ties, but they did include some zip ties. There is a 3.5-inch hard drive cage under the PSU shroud. You can install up to 2 3.5-inch hard drives or 2 2.5-inch SSDs or hard drives. Also, more than enough space for full-size ATX power supply. Overall, I think this case is good for the price. Tempered glass is kinda too dark for my taste, and also I think they should include at least 2 fans with the case, so you don't have to spend extra money. Alright guys, that should be it. There will be a link in the video description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next one.